Sharton English Junior, November 1982. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am meeting you here for the first time after I became the Prime Minister, but you are not new to me. I know you already as friends and well wishers of India. Our two countries have been friends for a long time and we will continue to be friends in the future also. I would like to thank your country for all the help and assistance given in the matter of development of industry in our country. Your country has given liberal financial help from time to time. I have every hope that this friendly relationship between our two countries will develop further in the coming years. During the last few years, the food situation has been a matter of concern for us as well as for our friends outside. The difficulties of the last few months are now beginning to disappear. We are looking forward to good crops in many parts of the country. We are also taking all necessary steps in order to increase the food production. As you may be aware, this increase in food production can be brought about only through better irrigation, more fertilizers, improved seeds, and modern methods. I would like to tell you in this connection that we are paying special attention on all these matters. As a matter of fact, the progress achieved by us in food production since independence has been considerable. In spite of this progress, the fact remains that the average income of an Indian is very low. We cannot therefore rest content with the rate of our progress. We have to increase our efforts, and in this connection the help and cooperation of other countries can make a real contribution. In order to solve the food problem successfully, our biggest objective at the present time would be to increase our production both in agricultural and industrial sectors. We are now preparing our fourth 5 year plan. I want every farmer to produce more than what he had done before, but it is also important that he should be able to sell his produce at a reasonable price. That is why the government of India has for the first time fixed the producer's price for rice and wheat. Government will buy rice and wheat from the farmers at this price. This is necessary to build up a stock so that we can face any emergency. Letter dated 15th November 1980 from the manager Gopal and Company, Bombay, to the proprietor, National Stores, Madras. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 12th instant and we thank you for the same. But we regret to learn from your letter that the goods supplied by us have not reached you till now. We wish to inform you that we have made a through examination at our place, and we find that the goods were dispatched on the second, and that a receipt from you was filled on the sixth. The receipt has been signed by your accountant. From this, it is clear that the goods were received at your office. It is possible that they might have been overlooked or taken to a wrong department. We regret very much for the inconvenience caused. We shall take further action on hearing from you, assuring you of our best services at all times. Yours faithfully,